Hello dear students, today we are solving the CMI 2023 paper directly. So here is the first question. Third question is a1 to in integers k and n such that this way divisible by n we have to show. So 1 less than I less than equal to n. So for SI A1 A2 dot AI Ri equal to SI, we can see mod of n. So for Ri equal to 0 for I, it means that A1 A2 dot AI is divisible by n. We choose k equal to 1, m equal to I. If not, that each Ri is in the set of 1 2 dot n minus 1. Okay, so by the pigeonhole principle we can have that Ri equal to Rj and 1 less than equal to I less than equal to j less than equal to n. Okay, so but Rj minus Ri equal to Ai plus 1 dot Aj, and this is divisible by n. Is divisible by n, so we can choose that k equal to I plus 1 and n equal to j, and that's the answer to this question.